Actually, I cannot pass a single day without taking care of them. It's a matter of joy that their color is changing. That means they are reaching to the maturity. Every week, I also change their nest because the weather is not in favor of them. Not only for human being but also for them. I'm also waiting for those days when they will go back to the nature and fly in the sky as their own sky. Really, they are the part of our nature. By hook or by crook, we will have to protect them. Otherwise, we will have to face a great disaster. Thank you everybody for watching my video.